Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav. So in this video I will discuss to count even number in a given array. So basically here you can see I have taken only for make you understand. So this is basically array of a number and we have to find how many even number are present among from x1 to x5. Means this is a basically series of number and we have to find how many even number are present. Means basically we have to count even number. Here you can see 5 number are given x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and we have to check how many even number are present. Means x1 is even or odd, x2 is even or odd. Suppose there are 3 even, then we have to count 3 even number. Okay. So what is concept? Firstly we have to decide the counter, because we have to compare 5 number. Among 5 number basically we have to count number of even, and also we declare a register containing 0 0. If we will get any even number, then we increment that register by 1. So finally after checking all the number, at last we can find how many even number are present. Okay. And so and also what is most important properties of number, how you can find that number is even or odd. Suppose just look at this number. I have going to write some even number. Okay, just write in binary form and 4 and here for 6 0 1 1 0. Just look at this position. Look at this position. At this position is 0. If D0 bit of any number is 0, means that number is even number. And when you are going to take odd number, definitely there will be 1. So if D0 bit of any number is 0, means that number is even number. So basically we have to work on this bit only. Okay, so we have instruction RRC and RAR by using this. So what is concept? We have to move this number in carry. Okay, and we have to check carry flag is set or reset. If carry flag is reset, means carry contains 0, means that is even number. So this is concept. Okay, so just write the program. Firstly we have declared a counter, because here we are going to take only 5 number. If you have taken 10 number, so you can 10 here, you can write 20 25. Okay, and I have declared second register 0 0 to store count even number, and here LXI H 2050 get the first number and move this number in accumulator. Basically now the content of this is stored in accumulator, means x1 is stored in accumulator. Okay, and just write RRC. What will happen after this? Whatever content is available in accumulator, that will be shift right by 1 bit. Means suppose x1 is 0 1, so 0 0 0 0 0 1. When you are going to write RRC, means this bit will shift in C, means the value of C will be 1, means that represent set. Okay, after this we will check carry flag is set or reset. If carry flag is set, means that is odd number, so we have not stored. Then what we have to do in this case? We have to take next number. Okay, and decrement the counter, because we have already checked the one number, and check the value of counter. If it 0, then store output. If it is not 0, then again we have to move second data in accumulator. Again RRC, again we will check. Okay, now suppose there is no carry. If there is no carry, means that number is even number. Then what we have to do? Increment B, and again next number DCRC and this. Okay, so this will be repeat 5 times because we have taken 5 number. So this loop we will work 5 times. After completing the loop, means when C become to 0, this condition will be false. Then what you have to do? Move A comma B, and whatever number is stored in B, just shift in accumulator and store output at location where you want and end the program. So this is program. So just let me take simple exam. I have 5. Suppose I have taken 02, 03, 04 and suppose 06. Okay, I have taken just let me take 5 number. Okay, so how this is going to work? So here in first case value of A is 02, means this number. RRC, what happened? 02 means just 02 means 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, when you are going to do RRC, this number will be carry. In this case carry flag is not set, means this condition is fail. Then whatever increment B, after this value of B will be 0 1. INX H, this will represent second number. Value of counter is 4, means this is not equal to 0. Again it will be jump, move A comma F. After this value of accumulator will be 0 3. Again when you are going to move, the value of C will be 1 in this case. Okay, then this condition will be true. Then it will not store in B, that will jump at this, means now this will point third number 04. Here value of counter will be 3, it will not 0. Again move A comma M. After this value of A is 04 RRC. Again we will get 0 in C. Again this is not set, again it will be moved. Now it will add 0 1 here and this represent next number, means that is 06. Here value of counter is 2, it is not equal to 0 again. So till C becomes 0, this will be do the same repetition. After where C will become 0, this will be come out, and whatever number is stored in B, that will be shift in accumulator and we can store output here. So in this case here we will get 3 because every time B is incrementing by 1. Okay, so this is very simple program. By using this concept you can find how many even number is present in a given array of number. So this is very easy program, and just let me remind you how you can do. Firstly we have to declare the counter. If you are going to check 5 data, so you have to declare counter as 5 data, then initialize a register by 0 0 to store the count of even number, and here you get first number. Just move that first number in accumulator and check shift 1 bit by right, means whatever D0 will be that will move in C. If the value of C, means if carry flag is set, means that number is odd number. If carry flag is reset, means that number is even number. So in this case we have to store even number. That's why we have to check each and every number, and if we get any even number, then we have to increment B, otherwise just ignore this line. And after repeating all the process, suppose this loop will run 5 times because we have taken 5 data. When C becomes 0, your loop will be come out, and whatever number is stored in B, you have to move into A, and then you can store at any location wherever you want, you can store. So this is a very simple program to count even number in a given array of 8-bit data. So regarding this, if you have any doubt, so you can ask me. I am here to help you. And so thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and I hope you like this video, and I try to explain in a very easy way so you can easily understand. So Thank you for watching this. Thank you.